Do you know how many houses students will help build in Lake County? Stay tuned after the break.
Hello, I'm Diane Kornegay, Superintendent of Lake County Schools. 4 years ago, Leesburg High School, local construction professionals, and Lake County School Board dreamed of pumping new life into an old construction academy idea. We envisioned students partnering with the pros to get hands-on experience. We could see them building skills, building a successful future for themselves, and building a strong community as they became equipped to fill high-demand jobs here in Lake County. 4 years later, not only is the Construction Academy at Leesburg High School thriving, but so are similar programs at Eustis and Southlake High Schools. We now have over 600 students enrolled in building construction technologies district-wide, 300 at Leesburg, 120 at Southlake, and 120 at Eustis. The Umatilla High School Air Conditioning, Refrigeration, and Heating program has over 100 students enrolled as well, and we expect to open a second HVAC Academy next year at East Ridge High School. We are thankful to partners like Romac Building Supply for their outstanding level of support in launching and growing the construction programs. We also greatly appreciate Habitat for Humanity for allowing our students to work with them to build 3 homes for local families in Leesburg, 2 in Southlake, and 1 in Eustis. 3 more are currently underway. Other partners include the Academy of Construction Technologies, Associated Builders and Contractors, and more than 30 area contractors who serve as a board of advisors. They support, advocate for, and advise our teachers on best practices, safety, and workforce needs. Local contractors also hire students in the summer for their junior year as interns. These students often go on to work for the same employer directly out of high school. Several Leesburg High School students, for example, were mentored by Ross Plumbing, and they went on to work for Ross Plumbing once they graduated. Students have the opportunity to work their way up in a company and build high-demand, high-wage careers. Other students continue their education at Lake Technical College or by starting a 4-year apprenticeship while working in their trade of choice. The construction academies here in Lake County are giving our students a head start. Not only are they building a highly rewarding future for themselves, but they are also helping to build our local economy and to grow a much-needed workforce in high-demand trades. This is what education is all about, teaching students in the classroom and beyond so they are prepared for a successful future once they leave our schools.